Hey there, welcome back to Natural Hub channel. Today we're diving into a topic that affects each and every one of us, tap water. You might think that the water coming out of your tap is clean and safe, but the truth might shock you. Stick around as we uncover the shocking truth about tap water and discuss how you can filter out toxins to ensure you and your loved ones stay healthy. Let's start by addressing the elephant in the room: contamination. Did you know that tap water can contain a cocktail of harmful contaminants, including heavy metals, pesticides, and even traces of pharmaceuticals? It's alarming to think that what we drink every day could potentially harm our health. So why is tap water contaminated? Well, one major reason is aging infrastructure. Many water pipes in cities across the globe are decades, if not centuries old, leading to leaks and contamination from surrounding soil and pollutants. But it's not just the pipes. Agricultural runoff, industrial waste, and improper disposal of medications all contribute to the contamination of our water sources. Now that we understand the problem, let's talk about solutions. One of the most effective ways to ensure your tap water is safe to drink is by using a water filtration system. There are several types of filtration systems available, ranging from simple pitchers with built-in filters to more advanced under-sink systems that can remove a wider range of contaminants. It's essential to choose a system that meets your needs and effectively removes the specific contaminants found in your water. But how do you know which contaminants are present in your tap water? Well, that's where water testing comes in. Many local health departments offer water testing services, or you can invest in a home water testing kit to analyze your water quality. Once you know what you're dealing with, you can choose the right filtration system to address those specific contaminants. For example, activated carbon filters are excellent for removing chlorine and organic compounds, while reverse osmosis systems are effective against heavy metals and other impurities. In addition to filtration systems, there are some simple steps you can take to reduce your exposure to contaminants in tap water. For instance, letting the tap run for a few seconds before filling your glass can flush out any stagnant water sitting in the pipes. You can also opt for cold water over hot when cooking or making beverages, as hot water can leach more contaminants from the pipes. In conclusion, the truth about tap water may be shocking, but there are steps we can take to protect ourselves and our families. By investing in a quality water filtration system, testing our water regularly, and practicing simple water-saving habits, we can ensure that the water we drink is clean, safe, and free from harmful toxins. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on living a healthier, more sustainable lifestyle. Until next time, stay hydrated and take care.